What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, how did you guys like that CVO yesterday, man? That thing was clean, wasn't it? Oh man, I'm loving it too, man. But you guys already know what I said at the end of the video, man. It's time to go pick up that 2020. It's finally the day. 149 horsepower to the wheel. So you guys know this first ride should be fun. I'm about to go there, drop my truck off, and hop straight on the bike. So you guys already know what's up, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for the 2018 Road King back there, man, make sure you head over to everythingsregular.com. We have a couple new camo hats on the website, man. So cop either one, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. So if you guys haven't entered that already, man, make sure you head over there right now and do so. But let's talk in more action, man. Let's go to Harley, dog. Alrighty, guys. Y'all see what time it is. We heading to service, man. Let's go pay this huge bill. Yeah, I was gonna come pick it up earlier, but it started raining. I'm like, oh yeah, they trying to send me a death wish, man.
Yeah, 140 horsepower in the rain.
Not gonna be too crazy, right? Not gonna be too fun. Wow, here it is, guys. Finally, 2020 Road Glide with the freaking boost pack on it, dog. Should be pretty fast. So we should see what's up. We're gonna check out this dyno sheet in a minute before we hop on it, but you guys hear it here first.
I'll be right back. Let me go get the sheet.
All right, cool. Let's see if we got this radio going now. Hey, what's up with the radio? We got no radio. And see, when you get a tune from Harley, they give you like the USB drive with like, I guess, all the information and stuff off of it. So that's a plus. But it's here, guys. We about to go cut up, man. We're waiting to see the actual dyno sheet. But should be real fun, dog. Is it like a certain button I'm supposed to press for the radio or something?
What's that?
Is it like a certain button I'm supposed to press to get the radio to come on? It's still not freaking coming on. So here it is, guys. Dyno sheet. And it is SAE. So we got 145 pounds of 145 horsepower to the wheel. And 142 pounds of torque. This should be freaking fun, dog. I can't wait, dog. The radio is not coming on again. So he's gonna go get it checked out for us real quick. But we got the dyno sheet here, man. Real numbers. Live in the flesh, man. No gimmicks, man. Y'all see what's going on, dog. Yeah, that thing sounds good, boy. That thing sounds good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Back into the back of the Harley, man. So I'll schedule one of these days, maybe like next week, to bring it back for the radio or something.
Drop it off when you do.
For sure, I appreciate it, bro. Good looking out. Y'all see it here first, man. Thumping and all that. Ooh, wait. It is time to hop on this thing. So I'm gonna have to switch off to the GoPro, dog. I can't even wait no more. Alrighty, guys, man, we made it to the house. I unfortunately think I broke it already, man. I don't know what's going on, but I definitely think I already broke it, dog. I don't know if it's the clutches or not, but it definitely sounds like something is clinkety clanking. I don't know if I should have took it easy on that first ride. Probably should have. But man, that's nuts, dude. Didn't even get to enjoy the mother hecker. Didn't even get to enjoy it, man. Money down the drain. But I guess we'll take it back tomorrow morning or something and see what's good, dog. So like I said, guys. Definitely not right, man. So we got to get it figured out, dog. This crazy. Yep. So unfortunately, guys, I'm probably gonna have to load this up real quick. I'm gonna try to get down there before they head out for the day. If not, we'll be back there in the morning. But unfortunate event, man. Been going too hard today, I guess. So we'll get it in, man. Let's see. Got the road glide back. Was waiting for this thing freaking forever and a day. Finally spent all the money at Harley to get it back. And we don't even make it freaking 5 blocks. Now I know I was kind of beating it up. But I mean, that's what you get, a freaking high performance clutch. They put a whole new clutch. They put a whole new clutch and everything in there. So it should be like super performance. It should be like able to withstand the regular gear switching from everything's regular, man. So I don't know, it sounded like something was knocking in there, man. I'm hoping the motor is not blown, but hey, I don't know. We'll see what happens, dog. And we done made it to Harley again 2 times in the same day, not on our own terms, but it's here, man. Let's offload this thing real quick and get it back in here again, unfortunately, dog. Said I blew out the gear pack. That's nuts. That sounds like a whole lot of labor, man.
That's what you're hearing is those gears are grinding.
So what, I'm gonna need a whole new transmission or something now, man, or what?
Yeah.
Said yeah.
Side door, the whole gear pack's attached to this side door.
Right.
This whole thing has to come out, but you have to get the whole inner primary off.
Oh, I see what you mean.
To pull out the counter shaft on the other side.
Man. So when I tell somebody, tell them I need a whole new transmission, my shit blown the fuck out.
The whole gear pack needs replaced.
The whole gear pack, man. Y'all see what we done did. We didn't even get 3-4 blocks, man. That's how you know it's power in this thing, man. So I thought I was done with the bike, but apparently we not done, man. So off to the next shop, I guess, man. We got the dyno sheet, though. It do numbers. All right, man. That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. But Harley won't be getting another $3 grand out of me for the transmission. So I think this is the time where I'm going to have them fix the radio that they said they fixed, because they put a brand new radio in there, but it's still not turning on. So I'm going to leave it for the radio, and then we'll be taking that bike to LA to my dogs on 104th and having them getting that thing situated, man, because they'll be able to get that thing together quick, fast, and in a hurry, man. So we'll see what's up. In the meantime, y'all have it, man. Please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I thought we was gonna get some real decent first ride footage for y'all, man, but you know, I was just a little too happy on it, man. So until the next one, though, dog. Alrighty, man, made it back to the house. All right, so we was supposed to get the freaking 2020 in here so we could check that thing out, but you know, unfortunately we broke it, man. We had a little bit too much fun with it, or at least was attempting to have too much fun, man. So that being said, I gotta find a gearbox now, man. The transmission is whooped. definitely not getting it fixed by Harley. Gonna be taking it somewhere else to get that thing handled, but we'll get it going, man. So if anybody out there got a gearbox or something for your boy, man, let me know. You can email me or hit me up on Everything's Regular, man. I need some pronto, dog. So keep looking out for your boy. I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't entered the giveaway for the 2018 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy you a hat, man. We got 2 different sets. Either one will be your entry into the giveaway, man. So with that being said, man, I have to catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.